Here we have for sale a Dirt Devil MVP. There's the floors and carpets. It's for sale currently at $75 on special. Has all the tools on the back. Comes with a brush, extension wand, no hose. If I can get it out. This is your hose. Stretches. The hose stretches. All in here. Those are in there. Has all your attachments on the back. There's the hose. Swivel casters. HAPA media. Height adjustment. Comes with a headlight. Has a bag check indicator. So let's give it a run. It's for sale, $75. It's down flat. $75, make me an offer.